Hello dear student of class 8th. This is the continuation video of the previous video. In previous video I will be discussing with you short answer type questions. In this I will be discussing with true and false questions. The main purpose behind discussing the true and false questions is that if something is false, you know it's false and you just try to mug up true or false, but you should know the reason behind why that is false, right? But before that, please like, share and subscribe, and for more information do comment about the status of your work. And if you feel you should note it down and then you are comfortable in learning the topic, then fine. But if this way going through the video you are comfortable, it's up to you the way you want. Clear? So let's begin true false questions. We will focus on why something is true or something is false, right? So for the first question is, man covers large geographical area. What is man? Metropolitan area network. And you all know कि metropolitan area network covers the entire city, and it is saying large geographical area, so the answer is true. Clear? Next question. User ID and password are the first level of network security. Suppose you want to enter the authenticated, you want a permission for authentication, so first thing you will have to encounter or have to crack is user ID and password. So this is also true. Networking helps in reducing data duplication. Yes, it avoids the duplication of the data. It does not allow the duplicate data to pass. Correct. PAN is the network covering a city. So PAN, what is PAN? Personal area network. So it is the network that is covering the city. One thing I am saying personal, and the second time I am saying city. So don't you think contradictory? So this is false. PAN cover the individual or a home, right? Unshielded twisted pair cable are used over long distance in a network. This about unshielded UTP. Look here, UTP I have discussed in the previous video. Unshielded twisted pair cable. So it is used by Ethernet. And Ethernet is for a particular LAN network, right? A particular network, small area network. So how it could use for longer distance? That means this is false. Clear? So now you must be wondering, key for longer distance what we use? For longer distance we use optical fibers. Nowadays it has been in trend, optical fibers, and shielded pair cable also we will use. The next question, let's come to next question. Retina scan and fingerprint are used for authentication. Yes, true. This is used in biometrics. You remember na, biometrics, Aadhaar, there we use. Hub is the most basic networking device that connect multiple computers together. Is it true? Yes. Hub is used for connecting multiple networking devices. And what about switch? Switch is used to connect two networks. Yes, it can connect the two networks, and the switch is also called intelligent hub. So if hub is used for connecting the two network, then switch is also used. Then we can use switch also. Clear? Now coming to STP. Look here. Shielded twisted pair cable. Here it has additional covering of aluminium foil. Okay. And it is costlier. That UTP is cheap and this is quite costlier and it is used for long distance transmission also. Now it's clear why anything is true, why we are saying is true. The main purpose behind this explanation is why something is just not mug up ki this sentence true or this is false. The main purpose is you should realize why I am saying this is true or why I am saying this is false. Clear? Thank you.